Hello, everyone. In this website, I'm going to speak about website perks. The perks of building your own website, the perks of developing the skills you need to build, in this example, a WordPress website. I will show you the back end of the work that I produced today and explain some things to you to help you learn and grow your own business. Now, I joined many affiliate programs and I'm getting approved into affiliate programs that a few years ago I was not approved. Anyway, today I put together a blog post of a product that I use. So I'm doing more research and I want to promote the product and I want to sell it. When the companies allow an affiliate to sell their product, there are a lot of rules to follow. But these are two rules that I felt they were worth pointing out. Here's the first one. Affiliates cannot run any pay-per-click brand campaigns. This includes, but is not limited to, Google, Facebook, Bing, Instagram, Pinterest, nor bid on any IKEA lean belly juice branded keywords. Well, they make it very hard to promote your own affiliate link. However, it's a lot easier to promote your own website link. And they can't tell me that I can't buy advertising on a search engine or Facebook or, Instagram, Pinterest, just to name a few. But you can't use certain keywords. But then you have a lot more freedom of phrases and other keywords that you can use that will direct people to your website's URL. So not only are you promoting the product that you want to sell to earn a commission, you're also promoting your own website at the same time. You're getting more bang for your buck. You developed the skills, you developed the website, it's yours. So that gives you a lot more freedom. Next, we only allow you to promote to opted-in subscribers. No spamming is allowed. You will be blacklisted immediately if you send unsolicited emails. I don't use email lists. My way of building my online business is to write the best content I can produce, create blog posts, create more web pages, and get all those URLs indexed into the search engines organically. That's always been my goal. And now I'm here. And it's working. Now let me show you what I created today. Oh, I'm sorry about that. Storebuy.shop. Here's the blog post I put together today. That's a banner I put together. I used their image, one of their marketing materials they allow me to use. And I wrote, burn the belly fat, a juice a day, help keeps the fat away. And when you click on read more, it brings you to here. I wrote some content because I'm a customer. And on this side, the left side, I put together the content. Those are my words, my content. Then I used some of their marketing materials, their content marketing materials, and I used AI to reword it. So it's not completely identical compared to other people promoting their products. I know people are just copying and pasting. Well, I copied and pasted some of their marketing materials, but I used AI to reword it, to rewrite it. Here's my little banner. I'll talk about this top banner in a moment. That shows on every blog page, every blog post, and web page, which is a static page on my website. And this is all me. And here's another header. Headers are very important. I put that there. It makes a lot of sense. Here's another header right here. This is a header. Search engines love that when their robots scan your website's code. And then here, this is their marketing, but I reworded it. Here's a couple of marketing images, and I made sure that I linked them to my affiliate link to promote the product. And then I have a button there, and I put that there. Click the button to learn more if they don't click on here. And here's another click here. And they have several different marketing materials. And here's some more content that I reworded. It's their marketing material. And then I used a banner of theirs. And then Google AdSense is already showing ads on this page. That's great. And I scroll down, there's more ads. I took that URL, I took this URL of the new blog post, and I added it to a static page. Letter B shopping. Right here. Burn belly fat naturally. It's my website. I could, set it up however I want. So it started with a B. I added it to letter B shopping. And Google is showing ads already in between the content. That's pretty cool. That's what I want. Oh, and the day that when the day comes that this company don't use the affiliate program anymore and my affiliate link goes dead, eventually I'll change that, because that's part of building a business. You have to sign into the affiliate program to see what expires, but then it's not wasted work, all this work, all the content I wrote, because Google Ads is going to show ads around it. And eventually I'm going to have in-text advertising too. So I feel that, it's important for me to produce quality content, not take shortcuts. Header footer code manager. See this code? When my URL gets indexed into the search engine, naturally, organically, this code will show. This is the description of the page. And these are my words. Burn excess calories all day. Set your metabolism on high gear naturally. Well, there you go. There's that. I'm going to click here because this is a post, and I'm going to tap on burn belly fat naturally. It added it to it. I go down. I click update. Done. This snippet code meta tag description is automatically added to the code to that specific blog post. Here's another one. Add insert a pro. I speak about this banner on top. This banner is showing on all my pages and to all my blog posts. I want to change that someday. All I have to do is change the banner. It's just a banner linked to an affiliate link. I change it here. I have thousands of pages. It will change it automatically on all those thousands of pages just because I changed the code here. And I click Save Settings. That's amazing. So I hope this gives you more of an insight to the freedom you can give yourself if you take the time to develop the skills to build a website of your own. You're building an online business of your own. And that's what you want. Because Google or Bing or anyone else can't say to me, you can't promote those URLs. Yes, I can. I just can't use the words that they don't want me to use. It still gives me so much more freedom because I built something of substance, and it really opens up a lot of doors of more opportunities. See you in the next video clip. Bye for now.